This is a tire. Let's make tire armor. You'll find tire armor in most of the post-apocalyptic movies, even in Demolition Man. Goddamn. And the Fallout series. Raiders use it for, I don't know, looking cool. Or does it even work? Only one way to find out. So we need to test out the durability of this tire to see if it's actually feasible. We're gonna shoot it first. Wow, didn't see that coming. Aha! Got you! It only went in that deep, and I actually had to throw it really hard. That's like an inch or two. Saw attack. Doesn't work. How about a pickaxe? That didn't do anything. We'll shoot it with a bow.
First try.
Well, it's not where I was aiming, but... So while I shot the tire with the arrow, it got stuck. Talk about gathering ammunition. So best not forget your bolt cutters, because I totally forgot about the metal inside tires. And voila, some tire. I used a numerous amount of tools because this stuff is a little harder than I thought to cut. Put it where we want it and then get a strap. I cut mine very terribly to make it look like, you know, it's been used, it's worn, you know, it's seen some things.
I've seen some things, man, and some stuff. I wouldn't recommend it.
You can see the scratches right here, like it's been almost cut, maybe like a knife or something like that. So I'm just gonna get this really worn out belt. I'm just gonna get like maybe my rivet gun and put 2 holes, and voila, tire armor. One thing I like about it is I can adjust it from here to there. And this belt around my shoulder stays stationary, so all I have to move is just this. It's also universal. I can put it on this shoulder or that shoulder, either way. All I did was I got 2 bolts and 2 nuts, got a drill, drilled a hole in both sides. It was pretty simple. I can throw a punch with it, I can swing a sword with it. What I'm also thinking of doing is I'm going to get another pad. Just put it right here. So there's going to be layers. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks, and I'll... See you later.